Good evening, ma'am. I choose ocean as my
Habitat.
habitat. A Because ocean is very important in human's life. It is profound, multifaceted, and profound, impacting us in ways often overlooked in daily life. So, which is to support our global economies, which is climate regulation, is also important in oxygen production, also a food source, then and economic benefits, which is beyond fishing, and ocean supports a vast range of economic activities. Then biodiversity hotspot, also transportation and trade and recreation of well-being. So that's why I choose ocean.
Okay. So, halata na ang imong mga buhi sa imong ocean. Damuing iya mga seafoods. Buffet ba ini ng seafoods? So, ni siya. What do you call this one? It's a actually it's a puffer fish. It's a puffer fish. Amo. This is octopus, squid. We have also starfish or sea star. Okay. May iya seahorse na gamay and sa little crab. May iya whale, dolphin, and tortoise. Turtle.